If the AM and GM between two numbers are in the ratio m is to n, then prove that the numbers are in the ratio m plus square root m square minus n square is to m minus square root m square minus n square. If we assume the numbers as a and b, we are trying to prove a over b is equal to m plus square root m square minus n square over m minus square root m square minus n square. So this is what we want to prove. And what is given is that ratio of AM to GM is M over N. From the previous discussion, we know that A can be written as A plus square root A square minus G square, where capital A is the AM and G is the GM. And B can be written as A minus square root A square minus G square. And in this case, it is given that the ratio of A is to G is M is to N. For any value K, we can say that A is equal to M times K and G is equal to N times K. So we have the value of A and G. So we can find A over B. A over B is A plus square root A square minus G square over A minus square root A square minus G square. We can substitute the value of A, which is mk plus square root m square k square minus n square k square over mk minus square root m square k square minus n square k square. And here from the numerator and denominator, we can take out k common and it will cancel out. So you have m plus square root m square minus n square over m minus square root m square minus n square.